Hi friends, let's try to integrate HTML in our React application today. We'll try different approaches and see what's the cleanest approach to do that in our React applications. Let's quickly begin. You see app.js. Today I'm going to create a different JS file that I will use to integrate in app.js file. Let's call it first page for now. Let's give it a dummy name. Okay, let's just quickly create a basic page with no details as of now in this page, and then we add the reference here. This will automatically import this one on the top, so you can see import first page from first page is automatically imported over here. Now let's go to the terminal and rerun the application, see if we can see the updates in the page. This is how it looks. You can see the first page. You can see over here we are going to remove learn react link from this page, and then we'll continue. We don't need this. Okay, from now on all the changes we'll do in this in first page.js. We won't change anything in app.js so that our code looks clean and you can understand what we are doing over here. Let's just quickly create an HTML text for now, which will give us a basic HTML that you want to render in the React page. So let's just say call it HTML text, and let's say we want to render paragraph. This is a test HTML paragraph. For the moment I'm keeping the HTML text in the same JS file. Watch the video until the end. I will also use a use case where we will declare this HTML in a separate HTML file, and then we will see how to deploy that in this current JS file. The first way to declare an inner HTML in React is to use dangerously set inner parameter of div tag. We are going to use this first. So let's say we set a class name for this. It is not needed right now, but okay. And then there's this parameter dangerously set in a HTML. You can use this. You just simply need to set the h_html tag for this HTML as this HTML text, and that's it. You render the page again. You see this is a test HTML paragraph. You can see it in your home page. Similarly, you can use any HTML. You can change from P to any other tag. Okay, this is the first way, but as the parameter says, dangerously set in a HTML, this can be dangerous if you do not know what is in the HTML string you are injecting. The malicious client-side code can be injected via script tags, so it is not always a good idea to use dangerously set in a HTML. There are other tools available, utilities available that you can use to make sure that this is not 100% sure that the HTML you're rendering is XSS safe. Okay, which could be DOM purify or something else. Anyways, this is first method, and let's go to the next one. Second way of integrating HTML is using fragment from React. It is available in React version greater than 16. So what we are going to do is simply import fragment from React and use this one. So instead of directly saying that this is our HTML text, what we're going to do is do some changes. HTML text is now our fragment. Here we are going to directly use that HTML text without the string tag. And then you can use any HTML that you want. Simply use this HTML text inside your div. Let's remove this from here and we try to display HTML text. Save it, and you can see the update over here. Let's quickly change this text as well so that we know that this render is from the latest one, and you see that this is updated. This is a HTML paragraph 1. That is the second way of displaying HTML in your React application. We implemented 2 ways for integrating HTML in your React application. In the next video, we are going to implement and find out how to integrate an HTML file which is in a public folder in the React application, and JS file or a TS file. How do you want to do that? So click on the link and find out how we do that. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.